Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we are here staying at Sapphire Falls. We are so excited. We've always stayed at different Disney resorts, but I've never really been to Universal Resorts, so I'm so excited to be staying here at Sapphire Falls. This is like a dream hotel. All right, we're coming into our room. The first thing you see is a mirror and our luggage. Ignore that. And you come into this open space. There's the beds. First up, bathroom. Hello. The bathroom obviously comes with the cute little soaps. You got hand and body wash, conditioner, was that lotion, all that kind of soap. There's a hairnet thing. We got some tissues. It's a nice vanity. There is only one sink. Down below, there's extra towels and cloths. Over here, we have a shower. This shower has a bench. This door opens. Nice shower head with the shampoo, conditioner, and body soap. There's the bench. Let's go ahead and close this. Boop. Closed. Some towels over here. There's a light switch here. A little hook to hang your towel. Obviously, the toilet. And then there's this door that closes. It's a slide door. Hi. There's a sliding door here for some privacy. Now let's go look at this bedroom. This carpet is super fun. The Pooh Bear does not come with the room. That is our Mario. So unfortunately it doesn't come with the room. But we have this nice pillow with palm trees. We got some artwork over here. Each light you can turn on and off on your own. So let's say you're in bed, you want to read, so you want to keep a light on, you can. Each bed has that. See, like this one's off right now. Over here we have an alarm clock, a phone, some hand sanitizer. We've got some plugs over here, USB and like normal plugs. We got some storage over here. Open this up. Nothing in here, but there's storage. I love this pillow. We got a little chair over there in the corner. So you turn around, you have the TV with more storage. Let's open that. Let's see how it looks in there. Okay, we got some drawers on each side. Let's open them, see how deep they go. It's a pretty good drawer. Looks very clean as well. So go ahead and close that. Over here would be the fridge. Let's go ahead, open that. You can bring some water, some snacks to put in there. I wouldn't bring anything that spoils easily or that needs to be frozen. We got a nice coffee machine to Keurig. Comes with some coffee, some condiments. There's a desk here. The Fiji water is not complimentary. It has a little tag, $7.50. But there's an ice bucket. You got this fun lamp, some more artwork. We didn't get the most beautiful view because we didn't pay for a most beautiful view. We paid for a standard view, but look at that. We can see Cabana Bay, which I would consider beautiful. So I think this is a beautiful view. We can see the Aventura Hotel. And if you turn a little more, you can see the front of Sapphire Falls. Let's close that. Here's our little corner chair with the lamp, and that's the room. I think it's a very nice room. It looks very clean. What are you doing? Finally, I got the footage of the bed. Now you can jump in it.
We're gonna test this one out.
Test it. But I really like this room. What are your first thoughts on the room?
I like it. I mean, my parents have stayed here before, so I knew what it was going to be like. But I like it. I'm so happy that we're here, and woo!
It looks really clean, guys. It's very nice. I love the color palette that they used for this room. It's clean, but it looks beachy, and blue is my favorite color, so to be surrounded by blue is fantastic. And then we also have this closet that comes with that standard safe, along with some hangers, an ironing board, this luggage holder thing. I don't know the formal name of it. Up here you have the actual iron. You have some bedding And then a blow dryer. So if you didn't bring your own blow dryer, don't worry. Sapphire Falls has you covered. And they have a blow dryer. So that's the closet. It's pretty decent size. It'll fit our luggages in there. So that's nice. There's some good space. Obviously, you're not going to get a walk-in closet at a hotel, but this is a good closet. Like I said, I haven't really stayed at a lot of Universal resorts. It wasn't really my family's thing. We always stayed at Disney. So I'm really happy to be staying here at Sapphire Falls. Julisa's parents have stayed here before, so I've been to the resort. I've just never stayed here and got to experience it fully. So I'm super excited that we get to stay here. I'm just so happy. I love this room. It's gorgeous, and I can't wait to continue to enjoy this room. If you enjoyed this little room tour, please like, comment, subscribe. Subscribing is the best thing that you can do for this channel. And with that, I'll see you next time.